Okay, guys, so I've been testing more the imbalance indicator. We have placed a filter just to get um, 80 imbalances in the 100 tick chart from 80 volume and above. Okay, so the seconds don't matter. We haven't placed a filter for the seconds. For example, this one's here you see these ones 5 seconds, 5 seconds. It's high frequency traders. They never pull back. So these guys just make the push because they come out of nowhere. You don't know where they come from. These guys, that's another level. You will never get filled. Even though you go at market, it's gonna be a horrible trade. So every time we win, we're gonna win 75. Every time we lose a double. Okay, so because of the nature of the Nasdaq, you cannot have a 5, 6 tick stop in the Nasdaq. It's impossible. Your win rate has to be bigger, and we are showcasing this new indicator that we have done. It works with the Unirenko. Okay, so it will place limit orders above or below the the chart. For example, if I wanna go short
Order
here,
submitted.
or wanna go
Order
long here.
submitted.
Okay, so we cancel the
Order
trade.
canceled. Order
Cancel the trade.
canceled.
So you see these bubbles here. These bubbles are from the NinjaTrader order flow trade detector. Okay, so for example, if you want to trade manually, okay, so you will check momentum. Okay, first of all, you will check momentum. You will not go at the market. You will not go at the market. You will need to first focus. Okay, you can add another uh, trend line here. You can add everything that you may want to help you check for the trend. Okay, so that way you're gonna place limit order when you see these imbalances. For example, if you don't have a automated software, you can trade manually and just wait for the imbalances, okay, to work, because that means sentiment. Okay, so that way you can place a trade and go with the trend. Okay, so uh, let's see if we can work one out and see how it goes from there. You see how much it pulls back from the bar. It goes above 8, 10 ticks, so it's not real. Not real that you can have a very little stop and and just go laughing to the bank. So these guys, Nasdaq is very rewarding, but it can really be harmful if you don't know what you're doing. This is done, guys, because if you don't know how to trade, if you don't know where to look for a lot of stuff. Okay, so I've been developing all this stuff during years. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's very trading is very difficult. It's for example, you see the order flow tool here from NinjaTrader. There's lots of buyers in this area. You see the buyers accumulating in this area. So they may want to take it to the high. So if I want, I can place a limit order to the buy here. But I don't really see these guys. I don't like this sweeping of the book. But I can still
Order
try
submitted.
and go long here.
Order filled.
See, you need to give it room.
Target filled.
There you go, $75. You see what I mean? You see all this movement. You will need the NinjaTrader lifetime license to use this tool. And for example, we saw the arrow that said that there was buyers down here. So NinjaTrader order flow tool told us that there were buyers down here accumulating at these price levels. So place the limit order up, and if you win, it's okay. If you lose, there's no problem, guys. This is trading. There's nothing written in stone. Okay, so That's the way you trade. So you trade with the trend. Okay. So we wanna wait and see what happens again and see what we can do. Remember, guys, this thing is just to generate an income. This is not to make you millions or something. This is just to have an indicator that can help you get some extra money, extra cash, and that's it. Because if this system was bulletproof, okay, I would be selling it for millions. So it really, you need to wait, you need to have patience. If there's no imbalances, don't trade. Okay, so if you have Ninja Trader order full too, of course you can check. For example, here this was up with reversal.
Order
This is
filled.
reversal here. Then there were buyers here. You can place a limit order. You can go long. Okay, this was a selling short, and that's how it works. Okay, so that's how it works.
Stop filled.
You see how it works. At the moment you see the imbalance, the sellers came in. The arrow said that sellers come in. So with the automation, you can select this arrow to go to exit a trade when there is an arrow against the market. So there's many things that you can do.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
You see, if you have a very small stop loss, it would have taken you out.
Order submit. Order filled. Stop filled.
Yeah, there you go. You see, Ninja told us there was a lot of buyers here. We got the imbalance, and there we go. You see, sometimes that's why automation, sometimes it don't work because, uh, it reacts blindly. So it's better if we see momentum and we can check and see if what the market is doing. We can place our orders and just go home. Just finish the trade. Okay, for example, you see here. For example, you put a placing a limit order here because you saw the buying around here. You see the pivots here. You see the buying here. See buying here at this low, selling at this high. So selling over here, buying over here. Okay, so that way you can set up your trading system and don't exceed the trading. You see buyers here right now, buyers. Okay, we see buyers over here.
Order
Place a long
submitted.
order here. See the buyer stacking here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
There you go. Target filled, you see. You see the buyers over here, then it came in balance. We see the long arrow here telling us 8 bars back that the delta is going. When you see the market is going lower, it doesn't mean that there's no buyers here. You know, these guys have deep pockets, so they can buy and they know where they're gonna take the market. You know, that way you can see where to place your orders. So if the market is going down, it doesn't mean that it's not gonna reverse. At least it's gonna make a reverse so you can take some money. Okay, so as you can
Order
see,
filled.
that's how this works.
Stop filled.
You see how these guys manipulate the automation. You see they see the imbalance and they just go after it. They just scavengers. They just kill everybody. They don't care. They see volume and they just go after you. So that's why I tell people that it's better if you want to trade manually. Okay, just wait for the pivots. Okay, wait for the pivot. You're gonna see accumulation here. There's ways so you can make your money. There's ways that automation is not everything. Okay, so but you need to have patience, and take your trades. Okay, so for example, you see here we have momentum to the downside, but we don't have an imbalance. Okay, so we just wait. You see buyers down here. You see buyers. See buyers coming in.
Order
To
submitted.
place a short order.
Order filled.
There you go. Buyers coming in.
Stop filled.
Yep.
Order submitted.
Buyers
Order
coming in.
filled. Target filled.
Okay, we recoup. You see, You see the pivot here. You see the pivot. You see the pivot here. You see the pivot here. Okay. So you see the pivot here. How many trades? How many trades like this do you need? How many trades? Okay. Ninja has its own system. You don't need to buy anything else. Just confirm the trade. Okay. So that way you can make good decisions and just go from there. Okay. Just get the tool, the imbalance tool, the places that limit orders, and that way you can make good money.
Order filled. Target filled.
This one took 2 seconds, 102 imbalance, but it had momentum, so it was a good trade. See buyers coming in. There's a fight in this bar. There's a fight in this bar.
Order filled. Target filled.
Cool, we see buyers in the tape. With reverses.
Order submitted.
This is a big jump. These guys need to
Order
get out of
filled.
the trade. Almost there.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I let this one fall in my face. My fault. You see, like I said, how many trades do you need, guys? This is the main question. So there's people always looking how to make some
Order filled.
money from this market. Just get small targets and done for the day. For example, I can move my stop here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
Okay, target one filled. See buyers this low.
Target filled.
You see buyers are this low. We can
Order
place
submitted.
a long limit order. The arrow telling us buyers down here. Buyer 31. There's a lot of. You see, we didn't get filled. We didn't lose.
Order canceled.
Yes, of course. You see, for example, yeah, people say, yeah, the market is rolling down, but what happens when the market is sideways?
Order
Like
filled.
these past days before. It was very tough trading, very, very difficult.
Target filled.
$75. How many $75 with one contract I have done here? It's 150. I made lots of trades. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you guys is that the system works, and for example, the bid-ask multi-market correlation is a system that is for trend. Okay, so this one is a scalper. This one is what people is looking for is just make an income. Okay, so if you train your eye and you need because placing limit orders is very difficult. So with this indicator, you can place limit orders quickly. You don't have to think about it. You just either you buy or you go
Order
long
submitted.
or you go short.
Order submitted.
Okay, so if the market explodes to some side, it will take your trade. See buyers down here, it can go to the upside.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Okay, so I cancel this
Order
trade.
canceled.
Okay, so the system has recovered from its losses. So we're gonna keep on trading, guys, and see how it goes. Okay, so if you have if you want information, there's a link in the description of this video. Okay, so we're trying to recoup. Let's see. There's imbalance up here. Okay, so
Order submitted.
we're just gonna wait. If the market reverses, it will take our order. No market orders. No market orders. Those things don't work. The auto trader is recouping
Order filled.
almost 15, minus $15. Somebody can tell me, yeah, what about you didn't get out this long? But what happens when the market becomes choppy? Okay, so you don't have opportunity. It will just chop you out. Just get your money and run, guys. This is how this thing works. I've tried everything. I tried going, long and all that thing, but really it don't work that much. It's better just to catch some profit and just go away, because the market, you're not alone. The market is, there's lots of participants. There's lots of manipulators. Okay, so there's nothing that you can do. The market just, that's how it works. You see, there's nothing I can do here. If I get stopped out, I just can exit right now and just almost break even. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna work, because there's the buyers and sellers, and that's how it works.
Target filled.
There you go. It worked out. So this is trading. You have to have the discipline too, not to move your stops and targets. Okay, just hoping that the market is gonna reverse. And no, no, no. Don't move your stops, neither your target. Okay, so because that's very important. That's a midget that can grow like a giant. Okay, that's impossible. You cannot do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's how people lose their money, because they do that stupidities, and those bad habits can really become giants, and there's impossible that you can trade the markets again, because those bad habits really will kill you. So let's see if we can get profitable, the auto trader. So with one lot, and see how it goes. I'm gonna pause the video, guys.
Target filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
Example, we see the market here is hesitating. Can be a little pullback. We hit short.
Order submitted.
Okay, it didn't work.
Order
Cancel the
canceled.
trade.
Order submitted.
Yeah, pushing higher.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
You see an imbalance here. Little bit of selling. Remember, never at market, guys. Never at market. You can use this system with the order placing with only with Unirenko, and you can use it with the ES and everything. It has to be Unirenko only. Okay, didn't work. We cancel the trade.
Order canceled.
I don't see nothing here. Okay, we pause the video. Lots of selling here. Arrow is telling us market wants to push lower. Limit order as always, guys. Limit orders.
Order submitted.
Okay, we cancel this one.
Order canceled.
I still don't like this trade at
Order
this high.
canceled.
I'm gonna
Order
try to make
submitted.
a short.
Order filled.
There you go. Got filled. Almost got filled.
Target filled.
Okay, there you go. Another winner. Almost stopped me out. Almost. I saw the order flow here from Ninja Trader, so I just knew it was gonna work, but you never know, guys. You never know. These markets are so crazy that sometimes you think it's gonna work and it don't work. So this is what I'm presenting right now, guys. So if you want more information, just click in the description of this video, and I will be happy to send you information. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and we just went up. Remember the imbalance arrows here, the pattern. So this is what I was telling you guys, that you can really trade the markets without going too crazy, not going at market. Okay, just going placing limit orders, and don't go blindly. Okay, so just trade where there's imbalances. You can, like I said before, you can use a VWAP or whatever you want to use to help you in get in direction of the market if you don't really, if you get lost. Okay, so that's how this works. This is a scalper. This is a what scalper means for me is you make your income, guys. You're trying to make your income. Okay, you're trying to get 50, $100. You know, you can put gas on your car with that money, fill your gas tank, and just get a good meal for the family on weekends. Or there's so much things that you can do, guys. There's so much things, but I really crack my head, thinking of everything. But this day trading thing is not easy. It's not easy. What works for me is limit orders. I don't like going at market. For me, that's from the past. It never worked. It's worthless for me going at market. So I just trade limit orders, and if the market is gonna break a price, it's gonna go higher. Okay, you just get your piece of the market. Okay, you can scale this up. Okay, if we're just trading one lot, you can go 50, 20 lots. It doesn't matter. This is scalable. Okay, but you will need to first practice with a smaller lot or micro lots, and go from there. Go from there. Once you train your eye and everything is working as you planned, we're gonna keep on developing this indicator to this thing works. It has a good potential, and that's it for today, guys. So you have a great Monday, because Monday is markets are closed, and we're gonna enjoy the weekend, guys. I'm done for the day. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, guys.